Mr. Thomas, can you see your lawyer on the screen?
Yeah, I can see it. Yeah.
We're talking about this, and we fixed the front page on the 14th, but the issue was on the third page with the fingerprint is.
Gotcha.
And Dan got it. It still says the 15th on that. Additionally, on the waiver of appeal, which is on the very last page, very last page. On this, at the very back.
So this I don't need.
Correct. That's all there. Yeah.
Oh wait, this one hasn't been.
Oh wait, did I?
Oh, this is the right one.
Okay, that's the right one. So he gave you, that was our copy then. Okay. So you just need the first 3 pages of that.
Okay.
And then the waiver of appeal. Let me give you the waiver.
Okay.
And here's the waiver.
And so really the only date I needed to change was.
Well, and this one here, I guess on the waiver of appeal, that's the 15th. And I think we've got it covered after that. All right, Judge.
You bet. I wanted to change the date before I forgot. The court will now call case number 6906, the State of Texas versus Christian Gabriel Chavez. Is the state ready to proceed? Is defense ready to proceed? And sir, are you Christian Gabriel Chavez?
Yes, ma'am.
Mr. Chavez, are you in custody here in Dumas in Moore County?
I'm in custody in Dalhart right now at the moment.
All right, then I'm going to ask you 2 things. Do you agree to having your plea hearing by Zoom?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you agree with the fact that you're in Dalham County rather than in Moore County where you are charged?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you understand that and you don't object to it?
No, ma'am.
All right. Sir, you have been charged in case number 6906 with possession of a controlled substance in penalty group 1. That is a 3rd-degree felony. That means it's punishable by imprisonment in the institutional division of the Texas Department of Criminal Justice for a term not to exceed 10 years and not less than 2 years. In addition, the court may assess a fine not to exceed $10,000. Mr. Chavez, you have been charged with this by a document called an indictment. Do you want that document read to you, or do you waive the reading of that indictment?
I'm going to waive the reading of the indictment.
All right. Sir, are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
In that case, I'll ask you how you plead to this charge, guilty or not guilty?
Guilty.
Mr. Chavez, are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily?
Yes, ma'am.
Has anyone pressured you in any way to get you to make this plea?
No, ma'am.
Thank you, Mr. Chavez. I'm looking at maybe an 8-page document called a felony plea of guilty, waiver, stipulation, and judicial confession. Have you gone over this document with your attorney?
Yes, ma'am.
And I'm going to ask your attorney to show you a signature on this document. Is that your signature?
Yes, ma'am.
Mr. Chavez, by signing this, are you telling me you believe you understand the contents of this document?
Yes, ma'am.
In particular, do you understand you're waiving your right to a jury trial?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you understand that you are agreeing that all of the evidence the state has that you committed this crime, all of their evidence is true?
Yes, ma'am.
Mr. Chavez, do you believe you're having any difficulty understanding what's going on in court here today?
No, ma'am.
All right, Mr. Seeloff, I'm going to ask you, have you consulted with your client and advised him of his rights?
Yes, I have.
Do you believe him to be mentally competent?
Yes, I do.
And do you approve of him signing these stipulations before the court today?
Yes, Your Honor.
Does the state concur?
State concurs.
Mr. Chavez, I will approve these stipulations and enter them into the court's record as State's Exhibit Number 1. Mr. Marable, is there a plea agreement in this case? I don't think he can hear you.
There is, Your Honor. In exchange for the defendant's plea of guilt, state recommends that the defendant be confined in the TDCJ institutional division for a period of 2 years, that the defendant pay a fine of $2,000 and $180 in restitution to the Texas Department of Public Safety. Additionally, we've calculated 161 days real-time credit, and we'll be asking that he get credit for time that he served.
Mr. Chavez, you've just heard Mr. Marable announce a plea agreement for the state. Is that the plea agreement that you reached with him?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you agree, Mr. Seeloff?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Chavez, I will follow the recommendation of the District Attorney's Office. I find you guilty of the offense of possession of a controlled substance in Penalty Group 1, and I order that you serve 2 years, or that you be confined for 2 years in the Texas Department of Criminal Justice Institutional Division. However, I note for the record that you have jail time credit toward that sentence of 161 days. I also order that you pay a $2,000 fine and restitution in the amount of $180. Mr. Chavez, do you have any questions about this judgment?
No, ma'am.
Have you been satisfied with your representation by Mr. Seeloff in this case?
Yes, ma'am.
Has he done everything that you've asked him to do?
Yes, ma'am.
Mr. Chavez, at this time, I will remand you. I realize you're in the Dallam County Jail, but I'm going to remand you back to the custody or the authority of the Moore County Sheriff's Office to begin serving your sentence. Best wishes to you. I hope that this goes well for you and that when you are finished, you will have a fresh start.
I
Thank
appreciate
you.
it. Thank you.